Welcome to my channel, guys. It's Courage here. Now, the reason why we test or why you are advised to test your Facebook ads is so that you can discover the best performing adverts. All right. Now, when you know the best performing advert, you can be able to scale, and then you can also be able to stop the ones that are not giving you good results so that you are not going to be wasting money. All right. Testing gives you the opportunity to identify your adverts that are doing fine and the ones that are not bringing in results, so that you can stop the ones that are not performing well, and then you can scale or amplify the ones that are giving you good results so that you can get even better results. All right. So you can scale at two levels. You can scale either at the ad set level or you can scale at the ad level. Okay. This is the reason why when you are scaling, when you are running adverts, you are advised that you don't just run one ad set and then that is it. You test different ad sets, you test different audiences, you test different interests. That is for ad set level. Then at the ad level, you test different creatives. Okay? This is exactly what you are going to be learning in this video. My name is Courage. You are welcome to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. I mean, the more like this video gets, the more people will see it. So please like my video. And if you are new here and you like to see more content like this, you like to learn how to use Facebook adverts or Instagram adverts to grow your business, and of course, how to use WhatsApp adverts to get more sales and grow your business, consider subscribing to my channel, turn on the bell icon so that you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post videos. Now, let's talk about why you should test adverts. For instance, if you are in a business like cake making, you want to sell cakes, and you don't know which exact audience you need to target. Maybe you have about 10 different audiences that you think are going to be interested in what you sell. So what you are going to do is to test these different audiences to find out which of them is going to give you the best result. Alternatively, you can also divide the audiences into 2 parts or 3 parts. That is 5 audiences, as in 5 interests into one ad set, another 5 interests into another ad set. For instance, you can just click on here, create ad, conversion. We are now here at the ad set level. All right. At the ad set level, we're optimizing for purchase. Remember that you're optimizing for purchase. But here we're going to be looking at how to test at ad set level. Okay. So this is your detailed targeting, where you target different audiences. So if you're a cake person, if you type in cake here, you are going to get different suggestions. All right. You're going to get different suggestions from Facebook. Cake interest, right? Pancake, cheesecake, wedding cake, chocolate cake, cake decoration, birthday cake. You can see different carrot cake, cake boss, sponge cake, fruit cake, cakery, black cake, black forest cake, cupcakes, love bakes good cakes. So these are different cake interests. Now you don't know which of these interests is going to work better for you. So what you will do is you can pick just about 5 of this, put it in this ad set. Okay. So you can pick, for instance, you can pick this cake. Okay. Cake. You can take another one again. Type in cake. You bring suggestions. Wedding cake. Type in cake. It brings suggestions. Cheesecake. All right. Type in cakes. It gives you suggestions again. Okay. Layer cake. And then you have 4 here. Okay. Cake. Butter cake. Okay. Let's say coconut cake here. So I think we have 5 different interests under cake now, right? So we're going to run adverts with this cake interest targeting these audiences. Okay. Once we are done with that, the next thing we do is to come at this same ad set. You click on this action menu here. You say quick duplicate. Quick duplicate here. Now, what you have done is that you have duplicated this ad set here into this one. This one is now copy, as you can see. When you come up here, you can see it's copy. So you change it and give it a name that you want, a name that you prefer the most. Okay, it can be test 2 because you are testing. Okay, test ad set 2. Okay, so you come down to your detailed targeting again. Then you're going to remove all of this. And you use the other interests. You type cake here, gives you more options like birthday cake, the ones you have not used before, birthday cake, layer cake. I think we've not used that, right? Butter cake, cupcake, red velvet cake. That's 4. Chocolate cake, right? Have we used it? I don't think so. So we can see chocolate cake. So now we have, you can see this ad set now. This very ad set has these different interests. While this first ad set here has cake, cheesecake, coconut cake, layer cake, wedding cake. And this ad set here that we duplicated has birthday cake, butter cake, chocolate cake, cupcake, red velvet cake. So the 2 ad sets have different interests within them. What we are doing is that we are trying to test and see which of these ad sets will give us the best results. Okay, we are testing to find out which among these 2 ad sets will give us the best results. So when we run this advert over a period of say 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, where 2 weeks might be long, you can say 3 days to 1 week, that is 72 hours to 7 days. Then you can come back and look at the breakdown. Look at the breakdown, study the breakdown, and see which of these adverts, which of these 2 ad sets is bringing the best results. Which of these audiences, these 2 different ad sets, is giving your advert the best results. When you now discover the one that's giving you the best results, you can be able, if you were spending $5 per day or $10 per day on that one, then you can scale the ad by say 30%. So if you're spending $10 per day, you can increase your budget. You can now scale, duplicate it, and scale it to probably $15 per day. All right. You don't just jump from $10 per day to $30 per day, or as the case may be. No, you scale gradually. You can scale it to $15 per day. All right. Now, this is when you scale at the ad set level. You can also scale at the ad level. You can scale your adverts, or you can test, rather, not scale this time. You can test at the ad level, because from testing, you will decide on what to scale and what not to scale. So if you want to test at the ad level, you simply open your ad level here, select your page, All right. Once you selected your page, you now come to create ad. Normal. We are creating the ad. Single image or video. This is the point where you now decide to use the first advert. You're going to use an image or a video, as the case may be. So you can just say in this advert, probably you want to use a video. So we click on add video in the media. We just pick any video from here. We pick any video from here. This is an example. So the video is here. So we're running this, assuming we're running this advert for smartwatch now. The video is here. This is your first creative, okay? And then you put your primary text and you put your primary text here. Type whatever it is. You have to use a very captivating copy, all right? That is a very captivating copy. This is not what you are going to write. I'm giving you an example. So once you are done with this, you know that, okay, this is the ad set for video. This is the ad for video, okay? Of course, you come down here, you put the website URL, you put the call to action button, which is shop now or learn more or whatever. Of course, it's always shop now or learn more. Once you are done with that, you come here at this ad level, okay? Quick duplicate. At the ad level or quick duplicate here. New ad. It's showing you copy, new ad. You can say image. Okay, so this new ad is image. This new ad now, we're going to be using image. So what we do is that we come here to where we put the media. We delete, we click on remove all. We add media now. Add image. So we select an image. So yeah, you can see, right? In our smartwatch creative, this is an image. We're using an image this time. All right, we're using an image this time. In this one, in this ad, at this ad level, we use the video. We use the video. In the second ad, which was the one, the two ads are under this ad set, The two ads are under this particular ad set. Okay, so ad 1 is under this ad set, ad 2 is under this ad set. In this ad 1, we used a video. Okay, so in the ad 2, we're using an image, a picture. So if we do again and put ad 3, we can use a graphics. We can use a graphics, or we can use carousel, swiping, carousel, swiping videos or swiping images. So that when you start running this advert, you will now check, okay, this ad set is giving me the best result. Which of the ads under this ad set is bringing this best, is bringing the best, is having the best performance? Is it the image? Is it the video? Or is it the graphics? If you realize that your video is giving you better results hands down than the image, when you are scaling, you scale with the video. Because you will need to put your money in the one that is giving you the best value for your money. So if the image is giving you better results, is performing better than the video, then when you are trying to scale, you scale with the one that has image, so that you can maximize your money and you can get better results. That is why we test. That's why we continue testing. We advise you to keep testing and testing and testing until you find you are winning ad sets, you are winning creative, everything that is winning for you. Once you find that one that is winning, you double down on it. You go hard on it. You spend more money on it so that it's going to give you better results. But if you just create one ad one ad set, one ad like that, and start running adverts, you will not know if it's, you will not even know, you have nothing to measure. You have nothing to measure with. But when you have this multiple ad sets, multiple ads under each ad set, you can measure and see which one is performing best, which age bracket, which demographics. These things are the things that you check. All right. These are the things that you study and find out the best performing ones so that you can improve on those performing ones. And the ones that are not giving you results, you stop them. The ones that are not giving you results, you pause it and focus on the ones that are bringing results. Okay? That is exactly how to test your adverts to get the best performing ads and scale on those best performing ads and get better results and better value for your money. If you have any question, please feel free to ask your questions in the comment below. I'll be there to answer you. And if you want to learn step by step how to create adverts on Facebook, for Instagram, for WhatsApp, I have made series of videos. I will link them in the description below. And you can visit my channel here. Just check on the playlist section. You will see the Facebook and Instagram advert marketing playlists. You will see all the advert I've made on that playlist, all the videos I've made on that playlist. Go through the videos and I assure you're going to learn so much that's going to help you grow your business using paid advertising. I wish you the best. Please share this video with as many people as possible. Like this video if you haven't liked it. And if you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any contributions, the comment section is open. Let's interact. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Cheers.